Sir Nani, nabanggit mo kanina na nasa 80 na yung partners nyo
Yeah.
no, sa Genesis. Sa tingin mo, bakit sila nakikipag-partnership with Genesis? Ano ba yung business model na meron kayo?
We have a unique business model, but we provide simple solutions. So, Genesis kasi is a supply chain na hindi naman lahat, pero majority ng services na need ng isang nag-i-e-com is meron kami. So, for example, in terms of manufacturing, malaki magpa-MOQ ang manufacturer.
Yes.
Thousands yan. Pero kami, we build a manufacturing na kahit 300 lang pwede na.
Wow, meron na kayong manufacturing.
Yeah, may manufacturing na kami. So, building pa rin naman siya. Inaayos pa namin yung legalities. Pero exclusive lang yun sa partners namin because we cannot cater everyone. So, that's one thing. May HR, ano rin kami yan, minaster din namin ng HR. HR Diana, nag-MBA, nagpapa-MBA certification yan, masteral ng business ad. So, kumukuha rin siya ng license for HR. So, yung HR na sa amin na rin. In terms of logistics na partnership with JNT, ang ganda ng offers din namin. So, it's a supply chain from end to end. We give free storage, fulfillment, everything is free for our partners. So, majority ng common problem ng isang nag-i-e-com, binibigyan namin ng solution.
Parang nangyari sa inyo, magmo-market na lang talaga sila.
Exactly.
Kasi lahat ng solution nandun na sa loob.
Yeah.
Parang one-stop shop na.
As much as possible. So, even automation, in terms of report, pinrovide na rin namin.
Kasi ang isa sa problema, lalo pag nag-i-e-com, paano ko mapapaship to, yung reporting, yung finance, so copy, paste na lang talaga.
Lalo sa mga startup. So, yan yung common struggle ng startup, but they can scale faster kasi nga, provided na yung back-end. So, yan siya.
So, ibig sabihin, kahit bago pa lang, nagkakaroon agad ng result sa inyo?
Yeah, it depends on the person. Actually, may iba dyan, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months bago magka-results, iba naman 3 months. Depende sa time. What you focus grows eh. So, we have partners that are part-time, so understand them, build pa sila ng team. Normally, mga 6 months. May mga partner talaga na hataw. Talagang lahat mga events, andun sila, aral talaga sila. So, the more you spend time on one thing, mas mabilis siyang mag-grow. So, it depends on the partner. Pero may mga 3 months pa lang, may 7 digits na kagad.